Hello guys, welcome to 𝗖𝗁, and I would like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to hop on camera to give you an honest review on Herculist Plus, and I want to show you how to use Herculist Plus and the different features that it has in this platform. Herculist Plus is a traffic exchange where you can be able to view and see other people's opportunity in exchange for them to see your opportunity. And a lot of times you get it by, once you view a person's opportunity, you get credits. And once those credits build up, you can be able to send, you can send out different mailers with this program. And usually with this program, you send out one mail per day. But they also have a section where you can be able to send, just by credits, you could send out other mailers throughout the day, so you don't just have to be able to just send that one per day emailer. So I've been using Herculist Plus for quite some time, and a lot of people, when they come to these traffic exchanges, they think that the quality of the traffic is not good. They think that traffic exchanges doesn't work. You may tried it out in the past and may have failed at it and just didn't know what to do, just didn't know how effective traffic exchanges can be. Well, my honest review with them now, I have made a sale from using this program. If I show you here, right here in the affiliate program area, just by me promoting this, and I got 2 people actually that's in my downline, as you can see. And this is what I believe with someone upgrades, you get paid $5, I believe, for a person that upgrades, I believe, which is you get 50% commissions with this. So just think about this. Using this traffic exchange, what you could do. Now, this is one of the very biggest feature that's in this program. As you can see, when you first log in, you can see someone got a Prime ad. This is something that, that's publicized already when someone logs in. Just imagine your opportunity when anybody logs in, you on a rotator and they see your opportunity right there. That's very, very much big. That's big to get that type of exposure. So right here it says submit daily email web ad, as you can see right here. And just take your time to load up any minute. All right, that's one thing about Herculist Plus. Sometimes the loading be very, very slow, but once it starts to go, everything can start loading up before you know it. So this is where the ad mailer is at. Sorry for that. I had to pause the video because the timing was just too slow. But this is where the ad mailers is at. And as you can see here on the left hand side where it says regular mailer, this is where you'll be able to send your once a day mailer. And you can send it within either a plain text or you can send it in the HTML. And you have the opportunity to send this to at least 230,000 members, and that's powerful, just to reach a large audience like that. But in order to really be able to send that many out per day, you have to become a gold member. So that's why I will advise you to upgrade to a gold member with this program, because you get to have access to all the features and you won't be limited to anything. And I believe with a free member, I think you're sending out to 1,000 people per day or something like that, being a free member. But once you upgrade to a gold member, you get to have access to that. And this is where you put your body and email, and you put your link in right here. Right over here to the side over here, this is the credit mailer. Now, just in case if you, and this is optional, if you don't have, the timing to submit another email, you could be able to hit over here within credits. So how you earn credits is by going to places like the zone. This is another feature that I use that's incredible to get more eyeballs on your opportunity. It's the zone. And all you do is basically you're surfing through different profiles. You see right here? You just surfing. And every time you click on another opportunity and it shows right here. You see somebody else's opportunity. Every time you click on that, you will come over here and you can see your stats of how many views you see, how many views they're seeing in your opportunity. You can see how many I earned today just by clicking, and you place your opportunity right here. So every time you see and surf through other people's opportunity, you can see, they can see yours in return, and that's just tons of traffic that could be sent to you. So if you think about it, using Herculist Plus is a deal breaker, you know. And my honest review with it is I enjoy it. I like it. It helped me out to get views. I be seeing tons of traffic coming through my email autoresponder just by, you know, presenting this, and you can too, and it does work. Now I will be transparent with you guys. If you want to be successful with traffic exchanges, the number one rule is to promote other traffic exchange sources and other ways that people could get leads, because everybody is promoting their business opportunity. So, and everybody's doing that to get credits, to get seen. So why would someone else wants to join your opportunity? So one way to connect with them and to engage with them is to present a lead generation source or some way to build traffic to help other people in their business. So that's one way you can be able to get successful. Now on the back end, once you get those prospects inside of your funnel, then you could be able to present them on the back end with your business opportunity. That way you could be able to gain that trust, you know. So this is giving someone value. So what you want to do, you want to upgrade to the gold membership, and to be a gold member is $49 one time fee of $49. You don't have to pay no more. You could be a lifetime gold member if you upgrade. Okay, another thing, they have a lot of other things you can do. You can send out Herculist blurbs. And these are these little credits that be showed on the side that you see. You will start to see these on the side. Herculist blurbs. Okay, let me continue right there. And this is another credit based way to earn get credits to your opportunities. Well, you see right here where it says power blurb. Every time someone comes back here, they will see somebody's power blur right here. This is where yours could be presented too. And also yours could be presented all down here where people could get their credits just by viewing your Herculist blurbs. So to check more into that, it's a video right here, a tutorial showing you how to use Herculist blurbs and what it's worth. You can check that out too. Alright. They also have solo ads that you could use as well. I have used solo ads a few times in this. Very powerful. That's how you can get more target leads to your business. Alright. This is one of my favorites right here called the traffic bomb. And with the traffic bomb, you can have 3 hours of an eye blast. For 3 hours, you will be in the rotator, and people will see your opportunity. And you could be, this could last for a whole week for people, multiple people seeing your opportunity. You know, it shows, look, 2,000 buyer submissions, 400 prime ad exposures, 4 mega mail submissions, 20 smart list submissions, and 10 blurred mailer keys, all for $39. And if you want to upgrade to the 6 hour, that's about $69, just that one time. So that's another way you could be able to get exposure. But overall, check out all the different features and the different types of bundles that you can get in Herculist Plus. And I use this all the time. You know, every day I'm always surfing. In order to be successful with this program, you must be here daily, sending out daily mailers each and every day. Make sure you come to the inner zone where you can be able to get that exposure by surfing through other people's business opportunities, so you could be able to get in exchange for yours. So I wanted to show y'all that how important, you know, in my honest review, that Herculist Plus does work. Make sure, if you would like to get started with me in Herculist Plus, the link in the description will be below. Make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button to this channel. Leave your comments in the comment section in case if you want to, you know, request for me to make certain videos. If you have any type of concerns or any questions that you may have, I will basically get in touch with you as soon as possible. And also, you can hit me up on social media, where I also help out you guys, you know, if you have any tips, you know, requests for me to give you tips, what type of marketing strategies that I use to promote Herculist Plus and all other primary business opportunities that I'm a part of. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for watching Double Over Astro. I see you guys in the next video.